Yeah. I mean, the approach here is unbelievable, starting with the data. So the fact that you all set benchmarks as a standard for the organization, I don't want to undersell that. That is an incredible asset to the business. And I used to say this when I was in consulting a lot, is like not having a benchmark is a benchmark in itself. So step one, get the data, benchmark yourself, help understand where we are now, and then look at the impact of changing the data through some sort of tooling or workflowing, whatever that may be, whether it's AI or otherwise. And then you have the ability to specifically measure those things, right? And see what the impact is so you can test and iterate. I mean, I've talked to tons of leaders at DSOs, and they're like, listen, if I expect this to be a magic bullet from day one, my expectations are wildly off. So I want to be working with partners that are going to help me test, iterate. And when things go wrong, okay, let's sit back and evaluate what went wrong. How can we fix it? How can we make it better? And how can we continue to measure the impact and find the sweet spot where we can have the most wins for the organization? Like you said, after hours, that's huge, right? Those people are going to voicemail anyway. How can we change that experience? Do we send them a text? Do we let a robot answer the phone? Like, what do we do? What are those things? How do we test and iterate? And
Yep.
then I think one of the other things that is important is the idea of understanding the dental space, right? Every industry has its nuances. And I think working with partners that understand those nuances is super important.
Yeah, being able to filter those patients to the right use of AI, right? The right appointment types and the online scheduling, template. They call with an emergency, utilizing those words to get them in ASAP and not just treating
That's right.
everybody the same. We have, like I mentioned, a lot of different types of offices. And so, we've got very high-end cosmetic and a lot of fee for service. And, the type of appointment and the conversion rates, going back to the benchmarking comment, like everything's different for these different verticals within a DSO.